Hi everyone and welcome to Module 5. With Module 5, you'll be learning additional control statements and how to repeat statements in your code. So this will be the looping portion where, again, you'll have statements in your code and based on some condition, you will repeat those statements. The second part of this is working with files. So whereas before you were outputting data to the console or to the screen, now you'll be able to output to a file, and whereas before you were accepting input from a user through the keyboard, you'll be able to accept input through a file. So the items that you have available to you in this module for the book assignments, I'm having trouble getting into Revel tonight, but in just a moment I'm going to try again, and I'll set up assignment 5A, which is due November 3rd at the end of the day, and then assignment 5B due November 7th at the end of the day. And I will go ahead and make both of those available to you at the same time. So as you finish one, you can go on to the other. The one thing I do want to mention here is that if you click on this link, you'll get some pointers, some additional information that might help you answer the questions. And as always, please feel free to email me. I may not reply right away, but I will get to you as soon as I can. A couple additional things that you'll see here. Watch all of the videos that follow sequentially. So in this order here, output files, input files with loops, etc. You're going to get a little more information on how to work with output and input files. Your book does cover this material, but it doesn't go into a huge amount of detail. So I've included here Mrs. Sorrentino's videos with the sample file, the code, so that you can take a look and run them and try to mimic them yourself. Okay, so that is assignment 5. In discussion 5 follows the same format as discussion 4, where you're going to have a document with several questions inside, and you'll need to choose the question that you want to answer. And just as before, each student should choose a different question to answer. And when you choose your question to answer, be sure to put the question number, they're lettered A, B, C, etc. Just put the question number in the title of your post. This way we know which question you answered. Be sure to respond to another student's post. Let them believe if if they're correct, or if they're incorrect, let them know what you believe to be the correct answer. And if someone replies yes to one, don't 5 people reply yes to it as well. Go and respond to another one. Okay, that was the discussion. The quiz, just as before, you have some review material available to you. So the quiz 5 review, some practice questions with their solutions, and the quiz will be available to you on the 10th and the 11th. And then finally, Project 5. And Project 5 I will post on Monday, November 3rd. I know I was a little late in getting out Project 4. We started advisement and the week just got away from me. So I promise to get that out on time. But feel free to reach out to me if something doesn't look right to you, or if it doesn't look like I've released the right materials. It happens sometimes. I have these little eyeballs that sometimes I miss if they're crossed out, or if, and things are hidden, or if they're available. Okay, I think that does it. Do take the time with Module 5. The concepts are a little more complex. Your programs will start getting a little bit longer. It's easier to make mistakes when you have more lines of code. So, take the time, take it slow, and please reach out to me if you have any questions.